Hi everyone, this is Sumer from Tulip here today, and I'm here to walk you through a new looping unit test application. The looping unit test application is essentially an example of how the looping functionality can be used in Tulip and provides an example and use case of us using this looping functionality in Tulip. The main goal of this example is to provide users with an idea of how to perform looping functions in Tulip and to be a learning ground for people to go and work from. So diving into this application really quick, what we see is that this application makes use of a bunch of arrays, and what I have to do is essentially push a value to an array, be it a sentence in either lowercase or uppercase, and I then have the option to convert this to either lowercase or uppercase. And then the looping functionality is performed and the new result is stored in a new array called the result array. So diving into this really quick and providing a quick example, I have passed the sentence hello world in completely lowercase to the array, and I'm now going to click the convert to uppercase button, and this will perform the looping function on the hello world sentence and convert it to completely uppercase. So doing that, we see that we get a result of hello world in completely uppercase. This application essentially provides users with an example of how looping functionality can be implemented in Tulip and shows how this is actually implemented in the various triggers in the application. Thanks for your time today, and if you have any questions or need any help, feel free to reach out to us. And once again, thank you for watching.